So pick up just a good amount. You don't want, if you want your fusioning to be darker, you can dab a couple more layers or like 1 or 2. I'm go ahead and using is crystal clear. You do not need any brush or as any other tool or any other solution at all. So I'm going to show you, it's really quick, simple. If you're doing for simple nails for the clients and you don't need to like take a lot of out of your time, but it still give it really nice background. So I'm going to pick up just a little bit of the crystal clear. You can see that it's not like saturate or not soak. We want to wipe off all of the excess, the residues from the bristle. So to clean the bristles nice and clean before we is putting it back in, okay? Because you don't want it's going to contaminate all in your crystal clear. And you can stop at any point. I'm going to using a little bit of gel painting golden top using my twin tip brush. Just pick up a little bit. Don't have to be perfect. We are going to clear for 30 seconds.